Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 12 of our magic book session. So, today's chapter is Magical People Who Made a Difference. How was your day yesterday? How was it yesterday? Was there anybody has any sharings?
Good
Anybody?
morning.
Happy morning. So, anybody has any sharings? Any new magics appeared in your life? Something in the area of money, in the area of your health, in the area of your relationship, or any other thing. How was the day? Wants to share anything? So we have decided to start the sessions earlier so that we have time for sharing and we can start on time, before. So that we start maybe 5 minutes to 6 or maybe 10 minutes to 6 if the sharings are pretty fast.
So I'll share Vandana.
Huh?
Mm, yes, I found that yesterday, I think maybe day before, when I think we thanked them, no? The day before. So today, the house help, they all, they all had a different attitude, very happy and otherwise they just walk in and
Who are they, Uma? Who are
the
they?
house help, the house
Huh?
help. One helps to cook. So they just rush into the work. They don't look at you also. So I found that yesterday, they took a minute to at least look at me. and and I think when she made something, she was very happy about it, and she came and said, "Come and try it." Uh,
Lovely.
uh,
Yeah.
so just the whole little attitude had changed. Her attitude.
Yeah. So the person is the same. Only what you did for that person,
Correct.
only when you started the circle, then things around you changed.
Yes.
So that's how it goes. It
Mm.
goes from us and it comes back to us.
Yes. Yes.
And this
Correct.
happens in every area of your life, whether it's health, whether it's career, whether it's, money, whether it's material things, everything. This thing applies in every area of your life. Most interesting thing. So now we understand that who begins. It starts from us and it ends in us.
Mm. And my other cleaning lady also, she did a little extra on her own. She does, she likes to do this little bit. She finds something dirty. She sat and dusted it, which wasn't her job, but she also did on her own.
Lovely. Magical, huh?
Magical, yes.
Awesome. Yeah, so I want everyone on the call. There are 8 people on the call. Please share. Just now we have 8 people on the call. Everyone, please make an attempt to share. Unmute yourselves, even if it's a one line sharing.
Good morning, Ishita here.
Yes, Ishita.
Yeah, so basically yesterday we had to
A little
thank.
louder, a little louder.
Oh, yesterday basically we had to thank every like things what we are using or every smallest part or bit of it. So I started doing that and I felt very satisfied. Like we used to never, we used to take it for granted. I felt and I felt like we have so many things. There's never ending thank you. Like since the morning I started and it was like never ending.
Yes, so
So
awesome. Na?
it was a happy feeling. Like we have got so many facilities, uh, so many, like we start respecting those things also. Humans तो ठीक ही है कि हम respect करते ही है, but it's about the every smallest bit or even a pencil is a thing what we start respecting, in a way.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was a good feeling.
And then when you start saying thank you to every single thing that you touch and see, then actually you feel that happiness in the heart, because what happens is that, you know, the coverings around the heart which we have only created, they start dissolving.
Yes.
And one by one, we are only dissolving them with the power of gratitude, with the power of thankfulness. And then, yes, our life goes to a different space. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, Uma, for sharing. And thank you, Ishita ji, for sharing. Lovely, lovely. Thank you. And I must say that you have a real peaceful voice. You know, after you did the reading yesterday, even after some time, I was remembering your voice. I don't know what was there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So, yes.
Vandana, can I ask something?
Can you tell your name, please?
Forum.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, good morning, everyone. मुझे ये पूछना है कि see, as you know that I am doing paintings, okay? And I do my personal work as well. पर बहुत टाइम से ऐसा हो रहा है कि जब भी मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ, some or the other reason कुछ ऐसा आ जाता है कि I have to stop that work. कितना भी मेरे सामने ही स्टूडियो मेरे घर में ही है, बट आई हैव टू स्टॉप माय वर्क. जैसे कोई गेस्ट आने वाला है तो 2-3 दिन काम पीछे चला जाता है, या इतना कुछ दूसरा कुछ काम रहता है तो वो मैं कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग सो हार्ड कि मैं बैठूं, बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग टाइम. और ये बहुत टाइम से हो रहा है ऐसा. तो
So, what do you want? आप चाहते क्या हो?
every day I want to do work, but it is not happening, some or the other reason. I don't know why.
हाँ, तो आप चाहते क्या हो? Say it in words. What do you want?
I want to work.
Just now you said that what you don't want. Now you say what do you want?
I want to do work. I want to do my paintings every day. Like, yeah.
You want to do your paintings uninterrupted, right?
Yes.
Okay. So then you can, you know, just before you sit down to do the painting, just bless the painting which you are doing, your idea, your brushes, your paints, your paper, you know, it could be a cartridge paper or anything, whatever you're doing on. You can just bless everything and see the end result in front of your eyes.
Okay.
So what do? You visualize that this is happening. So blessing, being grateful to the work which you are doing.
Okay.
Maybe, so any area where you feel, you know, some kind of void in your life, कोई भी area में, जैसे right now what you said was in the area of your painting, it's a profession, right? So आपको ये चाहिए कि, you know, आप ये चाहते हो कि आपकी painting जो आप कर रहे हो, because maybe जब आप break होता है तो then, you know, there's a break in your level of feelings because you're feeling and doing the painting, right? So then just be grateful. उस grateful mood में, उस happy mood में, are you doing it for the sense, you know, is there a compulsion to do? Yeah, that is your passion.
No, that is my passion.
Okay. So then when this happens, then you feel what is your feeling? Just check your feeling. Which feeling are you operating from? जब आप start करते हो और जब आप ऐसा होता है कि, you know, something happens and you have to leave. So just check your feelings. Is there a feeling of acceptance? Is there a feeling of non-acceptance? क्या feeling है वो आप check करिए and just put in, just see the end result. That's it. Nothing else. There is nothing, कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि, you know, something is working at the back. It's just your thought. That's it.
Okay.
Try doing it. If it doesn't work, then you can ask me again.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for asking this question. Thank you. So yeah, so nobody else wants to share. Then let's start. It's 2 minutes. And let me share the screen. So yesterday was a really, really awesome day for me.
वंदना जी डिस्टरबेंस बहुत आ रहा है, शायद उमा जी का चालू है स्पीकर।
मेरा चालू है फोन।
नहीं नहीं, स्पीकर चालू है आपका।
अभी मैं बंद करूंगी।
हाँ हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच।
Yes, so who wants to read today's chapter? Unmute yourselves and start reading. Please don't wait कि शायद कोई और पढ़ेगा, शायद कोई और पढ़ेगा. Let's be like kids. मुझे पढ़ना
I'll read.
in many voices.
Okay, I'll read.
Thank you. Uma, is that Uma?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's be like kids ना. Let's not behave like adults. कि शायद कोई और पढ़ेगा, शायद कोई और पढ़ेगा. सबको बोलना चाहिए मुझे पढ़ना है. Yeah,
वंदना
so
जी,
Uma, yeah. So
मेरा सजेशन है ये है कि कंपलसरी टर्न अराउंड कर देते हैं।
अच्छा, that's a nice suggestion. Okay,
Yes.
so आप डिसाइड करिए भरत जी, कल से कौन. Okay, so Bharat ji will decide from tomorrow who's going to read.
Okay.
But he has not read even once.
No,
He's read.
have
He's read. He's
once.
read.
Okay,
I think you were
sorry.
not there.
Okay.
He read it once and he read it
Okay.
very nicely.
Okay, so
tomorrow I will be read.
Bharat ji, I think you read on day 0, na? Day 0 में पढ़े थे आप?
Almost.
हाँ.
Tomorrow I will be read.
That's the spirit. Wow. कल के लिए आज ही बता दिया. Lovely. That's so nice. Okay, so Uma, let's start.
Vandana ji,
Yes.
I start yawning when I read. बचपन से.
Who's this?
Forum.
You start yawning when you read.
Yeah, बचपन से है.
तो देखिए ना अभी let's see बचपन की आदत भी अभी चली जाती है कि नहीं. Let's see.
okay.
Like Sunday, I'll read.
Okay.
No, Monday. Yeah.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have, wow, that's so nice. कल का भी हो गया, परसों का भी हो गया decide. Okay, lovely. Uma, you can start reading.
Day 12, magical people who made a difference.
So let's look at the picture. This is what is this on the right hand side?
It's an album with photographs.
Yeah, and this is a room.
Chairs and a sitting room.
Yeah, so actually the album is kept on a table.
Yeah.
And there are pictures. So what do we do when we, how does it feel when we, and what is an album?
So album has photographs of ourselves or other people. So maybe we are looking at some people and we remember them, you know, that their effect on our lives, or, you know, basically we remember them.
And we remember our happy memories, right?
Happy
we capture our happy memories. We are not going to put in an album where somebody is, you know, somebody is depressed or somebody is feeling lonely. We are not going to capture those pictures, right? So our happy memories, and when do we have a look at these happy memories? When do we feel like looking at them? When we are happy, and sometimes when we are feeling low, then we get back into our mood by seeing the pictures. How many of you have actually taken out albums, your old albums? Maybe the current generation, if we have made for our kids, they will have, but otherwise everything is digital now. So yeah, so I really love seeing my albums when I was a kid, and then, when I got married, especially the marriage pictures. It really feels beautiful. Yes, no? How many of you feel like seeing it?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Lovely. Yeah, so let's read at these powerful lines.
At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Albert Schweitzer, 1875 to 1965. Nobel Peace Prize winning medical missionary and philosopher.
Yes, so कई बार हमारी खुद की रोशनी हमारी खुद की रोशनी, these are the, just look into these lines. At times our own light goes out. What does that mean? Just think in your mind, all of you. कई बार हमारी खुद की रोशनी चली जाती है और यह किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति की चिंगारी से दोबारा हमारी लाइफ में रोशनी आ जाती है. So beautiful. We all must have experienced this, and each one of us have a choice to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Maybe that time we must not have thanked them, or we must not have realized that it's because of this person I could come out of this situation. And now is the time where we can actually bring in those people. How do we do it? We'll read as we go further. पर हमें उन लोगों को याद करना है जिनके कारण हमारी लाइफ में वापस रोशनी आ गई थी. What is the meaning of rekindled? Rekindled means, like, to cause, to begin burning again, to cause something to begin burning again, or just a simple word ignite. मतलब वापस, like, हम एक दिया बुझ जाता है तो एक दिया को जलाते हैं वापस, तो दो दिए आपस में मिलते हैं और वो दिया वापस जलने लग जाता है, राइट? सो it's like, somebody's light comes in our life, and then our life gets lit up. So let's understand this with, so we'll go 1 second. Let's look at this. So what are you seeing? There is a circle which is called the circle of life. Okay, so before we understand this, let's look at, in our school we have studied life cycles. Yes, no, हमने life cycle study की है, whether it's for plants, whether it's for humans, whether it's for water. So humans, and we've understood that everything in life is moves in a circular motion. It's cyclical in nature. So humans में क्या होता है? There's a child who's born, then the child becomes a teenager, then the adult age आता है, then old age आता है, and then death, and then again a child is born. Now water cycle क्या होता है कि पहले समुद्र में पानी है, फिर वो भाप बन के ऊपर जाएगा, and then it will fall down in the form of rain and again come back to the ocean. So this is the cycle, this. आप अपने चारों तरफ just look around, everything moves in a circular motion. So there is the sun which rises in the morning, then then day comes, it's the beginning of a new day, and then in the night we see the moon, and then again the moon also goes down, and again the sun comes. So everything is circular in nature. So now, since we are trying to understand that how our own light goes out and what happens, what is the possibility? So looking at this chapter, what all possibilities arises. So let's look at this. This is a circle of life. Now this applies to every area of your life, whether it's health, career, or any other area which you can think of. बस अगर ये circle of life को हम समझ गए, then we'll be able to understand everything. So now let's ask, and okay, so who all have sat in a giant wheel or a Ferris wheel? Yes, no. Have all of us, in any part of our lives, we have sat? Maybe when we were a kid, we went to a mela. That time it used to be in a mela, and now too we have so many. We have Estel World, and we have so many places which is there. It's there throughout the year. So how many of you have ever sat on a giant wheel or a Ferris?
Yes.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely. So I want one of you to unmute yourselves. And yeah, so Asya, can you please unmute yourself? And for the time being, if Uma, can you mute yourself? And whoever speaks. So just now, Asya, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, I have.
So let's understand what happens. So when you are here, when you are at the top of the ride, the Ferris wheel, what happens? What do you feel? Remember the time when you are at the top of the Ferris wheel, what happens? How do you feel?
we feel very joyful and a tingling sensation in the stomach.
Yeah. Lovely. So you
Yeah.
can feel
Yes.
butterflies in the stomach, and you can,
Yes.
you can see from the top of the world, I mean, top the entire world, you can see small, small things.
Yeah.
And you feel on top of the world. You said you feel very happy, right?
Yes. And we feel that we have overcome the fear and now we are feeling nice.
That's awesome.
Uh,
Awesome. Lovely, lovely. So we all are with Asia, what she's saying. Yes, no, we all have felt this.
Yes.
yes.
Lovely, lovely. So now we all are in sync with each other. So now, after we reach at the top, then what happens when you slowly the wheel goes down? The Ferris wheel comes here. Then what do you feel?
Again, there is a tingling like butterflies in the stomach till you're like the
Yeah.
enthusiasm is there. Like
And slightly, it's lessens slightly because you're coming down. And you
yeah.
feel, oh, now it's going to come to an end. No, no, like that. Na? You feel like a child. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Then again, you go and you hit this place. So
Okay.
this is the lowest part of the wheel. What do you feel when you reach here?
Yeah, we feel like it's over now.
Yeah, we feel like it's very, very powerful what you just shared. We feel like it's over now. We have hit the rock bottom.
Yeah.
And we feel that ये झूला खत्म हो गया है. So why do you think divorces happen? Because at this point, when you've hit the rock bottom, you feel very low, and you at this bottom of the circle, either you feel you are stuck somewhere at this point, or you feel that bas this is the end, now there's nothing. So people who feel depressed, agar is space mein agar hum zyada der reh gaye, then you actually so maybe at this point some of us might try to come ourselves on our own, people who are who really take charge of their lives. So maybe you will do some kind of things to make yourself come out of it. So you can either do yoga, or you can listen to some music, or you can if you are singing, you can start singing yourself. So then actually you connect with your inner self, and it makes you take, you come out of that situation. But agar hum zyada der idhar reh gaye this rock bottom mein, then actually we need somebody to take us out. And at that point of time, if somebody walks in our life, and guides you, so rekindles the spark, that spark from another person comes in our life. And so today in this chapter, whatever we will be learning is that in your life, your life comes, there's a shift in your life which comes when you are at the rock bottom, because of somebody's kind words, or just even a hug from somebody at this time makes a difference. We really, really feel that, that person was like a godfather. एक वो मसीहा की तरह हमारी life में that person walked, and because of that person, we are what we are today is because of that person. Has anybody
Okay.
experienced like this earlier? Yes, no? किसी ने experience किया है अपनी life में ऐसे कि when you are at your rock bottom, कितनी बार होता है ना हमारी life में, and then somebody walks in, either it's unexpected, or you have approached that person, and the words of that person makes you come out of that situation. Yes, no, anybody?
Yes, many times.
Many times, yeah. So today we have the opportunity to thank those people. And how do we do it? So now, so everybody has understood the circle of life, right? So, but here sometimes, most of the times we forget that there, अगर वो झूला ऊपर से नीचे आया है, तो वो नीचे से ऊपर भी वापस जा सकता है. There is 100% possibility that from here you reach here, and sometimes you need some other person who walks into your life, and the person makes you rise. Maybe you are here, and then you reach at the top of the world. So this is how things work in our lives. So beautiful. So understand the circle of life, then your life really becomes so easy, so beautiful. You know what to do now. And after we have reading this book, after this magic has come into our lives, now we know it's a power of gratitude first that we can use, and be grateful for all what we have. So we all of us will remember, at least now I'm assuming, with the practice. And okay, so there are people who ask me. So yesterday there was somebody who was asking on the personal chat that how long will I be doing this, counting the blessings and the magic rock practice and being grateful. So there is no time defined for this. It is like how we breathe air every day, how we eat food every day, like that. It's a part of every cell of our body. Just being grateful. And now we know how to do it. But today's chapter is going to lead us. We are going to focus on those people who have rekindled the spark in our life, who have been like a diya in our life. So अगर आप भी अपनी अपनी लाइफ में, as we are going through the chapter, just start pondering into looking into your own life कि आपकी लाइफ में कितने ऐसे लोग आए हैं. इसमें सिर्फ कुछ लोगों को बोला है as we go through the chapter, but आपके दिमाग में शायद बहुत लोग आएंगे ऐसे. Okay, so please start reading. Continue reading.
Every one of us has received help, support, or guidance from other people at particular times in our life when we needed it most. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through the encouragement, guidance, or just being there at the right time. And then life goes on, and we tend to forget those times when one person touched us or changed our life. Sometimes you don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future, when you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better.
Yes, so maybe that time we must have told thank you to that person, but now we know how to say thank you, and to feel it and the reason why you're being thankful. So maybe at that time, uh, so now at this moment of time you are remembering that yes, I told thank you to that person, or I acknowledged. So now is the time to acknowledge it completely and fully. So how we are going to do it? Let's read further.
The person may have been a teacher, coach, an uncle, aunt, sibling, grandparent, or any family member. They may have been a doctor, nurse, or best friend. They may have been the person who introduced you to your current partner or to a particular interest that became one of your greatest passions. Maybe they were someone you didn't even know and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness that touched you to the core.
Yes, so the person could be anybody. Now let's look into our lives very deeply. Whether it was my teacher, or it was my uncle, or it was my parents. Could be my parents, who touched. So I remember how each and everything what my mom used to say and do at that time. Now I'm remembering, how she touched and how she changed. So whenever I used to feel, she was just like a friend to me. At that time also, she was just like a friend to me. Even before my marriage, when I was in school, and she always used to tell me that anything is there, you just come and tell me fearlessly. And I always used to go and share with her. And even after my marriage, so everything was, she was like a friend, philosopher, and guide for me. And she was so, so there are people who have touched, moved our lives. जिनको हम अभी भी याद करते हैं, इस मोमेंट में भी अभी हम याद करते हैं, तो we are so grateful to them. So could be anybody, could be your grandparent, could be any other family member, could be a friend of yours who walked into your life. And it happens at times, most of the times, like uh, when something happens in our life, we try to reach out to our friends whom we are very close to. And then we ask, and we, even sharing makes a difference. So maybe it could be anybody, it could be a friend, it could be a doctor, nurse, or best friend, even doctors, people especially the homeopathic doctors, if you have any, and they take the medical history, so maybe, when you go to a doctor, homeopathic doctor, there are medicines to calm you down when you are feeling low. And then you share everything with the doctor, what happened. And maybe as a good human being, maybe not, maybe it's always like that. So they always hear you out, and they, as not only with the medicine, but they hear you out, and they give you some guidance or the other. And it could be your best friend, it could be any, it could be a nurse, you've been hospitalized and something you have been going through, and a nurse comes and starts talking to you. We have all have experienced this now. Somehow somebody whom you don't know, that person comes and tells you something which touches your heart and which touches the core of your heart, and then something wonderfully dissolves around you, and you start walking in a new direction. Like, your life only changes. Yes, no, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
yeah, lovely. So please continue reading.
My grandmother gave me love for books, cooking, and the countryside. By sharing her love of those things with me, all of them affected and changed the course of my life.
Sorry. Yeah.
Cooking became a passion of mine for over 20 years. My love of books eventually led to me becoming a writer, and my love of the countryside has influenced where I've lived throughout my life. My grandmother also disciplined me with a steel hand to say thank you. At the time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching me to say the magic words was the greatest gift of my grandmother ever gave me. She is not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on the course of my life. Thank you, Grandma.
So what does this para tells us? Rhonda Byrne is remembering her grandmother who is no more. So we can also look into our lives and do for people whom they are no more there with us, and people who are living. So people who are living, who are still there with us, and maybe they're not there with us and they made a difference and they walked away from our lives and they're living in some other part of the world. So remember them. Maybe you're not in touch with them, still you can remember them. So all the possibilities are there in front of us. So Rhonda Byrne is remembering her grandmom, her grandmother who disciplined her. So that time when as kids we retaliate, if somebody disciplines us, so we don't understand the value, maybe or maybe not. Could be both ways. But then now as an adult, when we look back into our lives and then we understand that yes, what my grandmother, what my parents used to say was really, really true. And at times we understand more when we become parents, when we become parents and then we start understanding, isn't it? Does it happen that then we start understanding that how I never used to understand this thing my mom used to say, my father used to say, my grandmother used to say. And it so happens, it's a real irony that if you haven't accepted any part of your parents and or your grandparents or your elders, the same thing your child gives it to you. Has anybody experienced that? Yes, no?
Yes, many times.
Yeah. So that's, so we all have come in this life to learn certain lessons. Before we are in the soul form, we actually choose our life lessons. And वो lessons mostly एक या दो होते हैं, और mostly एक ही होता है, which is love and something, could be love and acceptance. So as a child, when we are born till the age of 2 years, we all remember that lesson. But over a period of time, we forget that lesson of ours. And maybe there might be glimpses जब हम सोते हैं या जब हम deep sleep में होते हैं या last 45 minutes, before we go to sleep, or sometime during the day when we are with our own selves, then we remember them. वो glimpses आते हैं, बिल्कुल आते हैं, but then if we are present to that, if we are aware of those, then we understand that yes, that inner voice, which we say now, that inner voice speaks. The inner voice is always there with us. It always speaks and guides us. So when something, when we see, we feel ना कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है, मुझे ऐसा कुछ feel हो रहा है कि ऐसा करना चाहिए. What is your gut feeling? So gut feeling is that only, that your inner voice speaks. So sometimes, we have our life lessons. So I was talking of that, why our kids, they show us and they remind us that whatever we have done and we didn't learn those lessons, the same thing comes in the form of the universe sends the people in the form of our children. They choose us as their parents, so that we learn those life lessons. And believe me, people who are the most, people in your life who feel to be most, you can say, you can call them the bad people in your life, or you can call them the toughest people. They give you so many problems. They are your true friends, because they are helping you to teach your life lessons. Okay, so coming back to this, that she's thanking her grandmom, and who's not alive anymore, but whatever, how she influenced her life. So now she is understanding, when she's writing the book, that thank you grandma, and she's thanking her. Yes, please continue.
Today, you're going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day. Sit down and think of 3 extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. Once you have your 3 people, work with one person at a time and talk out loud to each person as though they were present, telling him or her the reason why you are grateful to them and how they affected the course of your life.
So please see this very, very, understand this, that you have to think of 3 magical people. And okay, still now it hasn't said now 3 magical people. You're going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. So think about all those people. Find a quiet place alone sometime. Very, very important. You can please tell everyone that please don't disturb me for another half an hour. And you're going to write for all those people. It says further that 3 people को चुनना है, उनके बारे में लिखना है, उनसे बात करनी है, as if that person is there in front of you. आपको physically नहीं जाना है उस person के सामने. आपको उस person को जब आप याद करोगे, तो उस person की energy body आ जाएगी उस room में. And you don't, energy body means, I hope I'm not scaring you. So it's that person is coming in front of you. You will be able to feel that person, because you're connecting with the feelings, your feelings. And you have to talk, it's written, you have to choose 3 people. So work with one person at a time and talk out loud to each person as though they were present. So you can be in a quiet space where you're not disturbed by anybody, and तीनों का साथ में करना है. It's not that एक का किया फिर then you went out to do some work or somebody called you. Make sure that you are doing this concentrated practice without any interruption. तीनों लोगों का साथ में करना है. Why? Because you will be able to go deeper into your feeling world. There'll be no break. एक के बाद एक, तीनों को आप जब कर लोगे, then you will find something shifting in your inner space. And be as, give as many reasons as you can. Talk in as much detail as you can. Don't do in a hurry. I'm requesting you. Please don't do in a hurry. These are very, very powerful experiences, and only you can take those experiences. जितना आप deeply करोगे, उतना you will be able to find magical shifts happening in other areas of your life, including the area of your relationships. You will not, आप समझ भी नहीं पाओगे कि दूसरे एरियाज और दूसरे रिलेशंस कैसे चेंज हो रहे हैं. As Uma, you mentioned na today morning that since you were being grateful and your helps, they suddenly started behaving, their attitude only changes because you had an attitude of gratitude, and that is where their attitude changed. So let's see what happens. Let's experience it for ourselves. Maybe हम लोगों ने पिछली बार जब पढ़ा था तो किया था, लेकिन आज हम वापस करेंगे.
Can we
Maybe
take God?
sorry.
God को ले सकते हैं हम.
I would suggest right now, no. Take physical people who are there in your life, because
Okay.
आप करोगे तो एक generalized वो हो जाएगा, and then actually जो ये chapter बोलना चाहती है वो नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay?
Okay.
So that is always there, na? That is always there. We can talk to God or universe or spirit anytime. That is always there. But अभी हमें कुछ नई opportunity मिल रही है. So let's hold, let's grab that opportunity. उसको हम करेंगे, हाँ? Yes, please continue.
Make sure you do this magical practice with all three people in one session because it will take your feeling of gratitude to a far deeper level. If you split up this magical practice throughout the day, you will not feel the same depth of gratitude nor receive the magical results. Here's an example of what you might say. Sarah, I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words touched me and lifted me out of despair. Because of what you said, I found the courage to follow my dream and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef. I'm living my dream and I couldn't be happier, all because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah.
Yeah,
It is very,
so we have this beautiful example which she has given. She's expressing her gratitude to the one who touched her heart and moved her heart. And today whatever she is because of her. So maybe she worked as an apprentice chef before she wrote this book, and before she made the movie Secret. So many times we have different things, we do keep on doing different things in our life. So that time when Rhonda Byrne worked as an apprentice chef and she moved to France, so she's writing that time, from that time of her life. So you'll have to actually go deep inside your life, right from the time you remember. So from your childhood to when you were a teenager, then you became an adolescent, then adult, and then right now. So just look deeply. You have to probe deeply into every part of your life. एकदम आपको अंदर जाना होगा. एंड मे बी शायद अभी समझ में आ गया आपको कि मुझे किन 3 लोगों के लिए लिखना है. मे बी यू फाउंड आउट नाउ ओनली. एंड इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन फॉर दैट पर्सन, और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं अभी मुझे वापस करना है सेम पर्सन के लिए, यू कुड डू दैट्स अ चॉइस विच यू हैव टू टेक. या फिर कुछ और लोगों के लिए करना है. So it could be anybody. It could be your school teacher. It could be your school principal. I remember my school principal, how she used to, whenever we used to feel like talking, we used to just knock, and we used to go and talk to her. And she was very, very kind lady. The way she used to touch, move, even if a smallest of a word which she used to speak was a word of kindness and gratitude. You could actually feel it in her eyes whenever I used to see her. So anybody whom you remember, just feel that what that person has done in your life and how your life has moved. Could be anything, anyone. Yeah.
it's very important that you say the reasons why you're grateful. And you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say, the more you feel, the more amazing the results. You will see the magic explode into your life from doing this practice. It numbers among the most powerful acts of gratitude you can ever perform. If you're not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person and address them as you are writing a letter.
Yeah, so
When you
this is another possibility. And even if you are saying there is nothing that you can't say too much, अगर आपको लगता है कि अरे मैंने कितना बोल दिया, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं, there is never too much of gratitude. Instead, the more you say, the more you feel, and the more you feel, the more amazing the results will be. मतलब एक explosion हो जाएगा, and most beautiful. I'm just पढ़ते पढ़ते, I'm just realizing that our tomorrow's chapter is make your wishes come true. And if we have actually, opened our hearts and our minds and our souls and every part of our being by just being grateful to those people who have made a difference in our lives, then you see how your wishes will all come true. And tomorrow is the day when we are going to make our top 10 desire list, our dream list. और उस दिन के पहले ये चैप्टर आ रहा है. So beautiful. So just my invitation to all of you is that do this practice in the early hours of the day. Do it immediately after the session. And it will be so powerful right now if you do. I'm not saying that it won't be powerful when you do in the daytime. You must all be having your responsibilities and duties. So see whatever, how much, whatever is the best you can do for yourself. Okay. And so look at the connection, look at the way the structure of the book is designed. That today you are being, so this is the pinnacle of gratitude, it's the height of gratitude that we can do today. And after we have done, we actually will be moving closer to our dreams. मतलब हम इतने close चले जाएंगे, and we'll see how after doing this, magics are going to increase exponentially in our life. इतने magics होने लग जाएंगे. जितनी शिद्दत से आप ये exercise करोगे, उतने ही, you will experience magics in your life. So please, everybody, please do it. And again, the 3 takeaways from this chapter, you're going to write it in our today's, in our Magic Everywhere in our group. Yes? So please continue. Yeah, and the second option is if you are not in a position to talk out loud, then you can, there's some people who are not expressive. They can't talk. So you can just write it down as if you're writing a letter to that person. Or लिख लिया, उसके बाद में you're holding the letter and you are speaking. Some people are good at writing. Some people are good at speaking. So it's okay. Whatever your strength is, that is yours. It's you accept that and move on. Yes.
When you have completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way that you feel. The evidence of gratitude's power working is always that first and foremost, it makes you happy. The secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you attract wonderful things. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things, which will make you even happier. That's the magic of life, and that's the magical power of gratitude.
Yes, we all have experienced this, and we are going to experience it further. That what is the evidence that the gratitudes after doing this exercise, there'll be an unexplainable happiness. So, how many of you actually are already in that space? So, how, so somebody shared in the morning that there was so much of happiness. There was, I was thanking every single thing. जो भी सामने आ रहा है, जिसको भी मैं touch कर रही हूँ, whole day today morning also, and I'm really feeling happy. And most of you are feeling that now. You're feeling that happiness. But after doing this practice, you will attract, so you're feeling happy and you're attracting also wonderful things in your life. But इस practice के बाद में is a promise of the book that you will attract more wonderful things, and which will make you even more happier. That's the magic of life, and that's the magical power of gratitude. So, who all are ready to do this practice immediately after the session?
Yes, I am.
Only one, yes, I am. What about others? So today was
Yes.
a small chapter. I think if there are no questions, and I mean, we might finish before time. So you can all, just choose to sit immediately after the session. Yes, magic practice number 12.
Magical people who made a difference. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Find a quiet place alone sometime during today and make a list of 3 people who made a difference in your life. Work through the list one person at a time, and while talking out loud, tell each person the reason why you're grateful for them and exactly how they affected the course of your life. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Lovely. So we all are, we have understood the magical practice that we have to sit alone sometime today. So first is we know count our blessings, then make a list of 3 people who made a difference in your life. Now, sometimes people ask that it could be more than 3. Yes, it could be more than 3, but today you can write 3, and maybe tomorrow again you can choose any people. And there is no limit ना. आज का exercise हम कल वापस कर सकते हैं, आज किया है कल वापस कर सकते हैं, परसों वापस कर सकते हैं, जब हमें याद आए तब हमें जरूरत नहीं है 3 लोगों को लेना। जैसे आज 3 लोगों को लेना है, फिर कभी एक लोग को भी ले सकते हैं जिनको कभी इच्छा हो गई, कभी याद आ गया एंड यू फील लाइक राइटिंग, यू कैन राइट इट अगेन और यू कैन स्पीक टू दैट पर्सन। तो आप कहीं पे भी हो, इफ यू आर सपोजिंग, आप कहीं पे भी यू कैन विस्पर ऑल्सो टू योर सेल्फ। सो सपोजिंग आप कहीं पे अकेले बैठे हो या आप अपने ऑफिस में बैठे हो और देर इज नोबडी, कोई मीटिंग्स नहीं है, आपके पास फ्री टाइम है, उस समय भी आप बैठ के कर सकते हो, बट योर माइंड इज नॉट प्री ऑक्यूपाइड विद समथिंग एल्स, योर माइंड इज रियली पीसफुल। सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आप अपने फीलिंग्स को चेक करके एंड देन यू स्टार्ट, when your feelings are happier, when you are feeling that joyful and happier, you are feeling that emotion, then that time if you write, then it really makes, it is really something very powerful. And we've already discussed that you can do with somebody who is not alive also, and work through the list one person at a time, and while talking out loud tell each person the reason is very important. जितना आप reasons दोगे उतना आप gratitude feel करोगे, and exactly how they affected the course of your life. And then our favorite magic rock practice in the night before we go to sleep. Thank you, Uma, for reading this chapter so beautifully for us. Lovely. Thank you so much. Really, really grateful. Yes. So now, if we have any sharings, anything we need to ask, clarify, and
Yes,
you are, yeah.
I wanted to ask, suppose after doing this exercise today, besides this, if you feel like writing or speaking to one of the person, and giving gratitude to them directly.
Not recommended right now.
Okay.
But if you really, really feel that yes, it will make a difference, because anyways, Uma, you need to understand one thing, that we all are energy beings. We all are energy beings. Anyways, if you are, whether you are saying it personally, talking to them, or being in front of them, even when you've started saying in the room where you are in your home where you are in, and they are thousands of kilometers away from you, still you will be connected. your energy body is going to connect with their energy body, because anyways, if you have remembered them, giving all the reasons and being grateful, you've already called them in the room where you are in. This is how the world of energy works. And this world of magic is the world of energy which we are talking about. So even you must have thought now, like for giving you a very very lame example, that whenever you think of somebody and that person walks in, or whenever you think
Yes,
of somebody, that person calls you. How did that happen? The same thing is going to happen here also. But still, if you really feel very powerfully that no, I want to express, and that will increase my level of gratitude more, then you can do it. But it's not recommended by this chapter, by the book. Yeah, so maybe I think so further it will come that you can just go in front of that person and you can speak. So right now it's not recommended, but still if you feel, you can carry on. Yeah. Anybody else has anything to ask? So we'll play the glad game today. I am hoping that everyone has seen that movie Pollyanna once at least. If you haven't, प्लीज सी. जिन लोगों को शायद लग रहा था कि नहीं समझ आ रहा था कुछ प्रोनाउंसिएशन, तो आपके YouTube में जब आप जाओगे तो देयर इज एन ऑप्शन जहाँ पे आप यू कैन सिलेक्ट, और उसमें वो लिखा हुआ आएगा नीचे, तो यू कैन सिलेक्ट दैट. इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड योर सेल्फ, यू कैन आस्क योर किड्स. बच्चों को सब पता होता है. That's what I did. I asked you can ask your husband if your husband is tech savvy, or you can ask your kids. The kids know everything. So wo pura hai na, pura everything comes in writing down and you can see. So I can understand last time somebody was sharing that the pronunciation was not understandable because the accent was little different. That's fine. But has everybody seen the movie? Yes, no? Has everybody seen Pollyanna?
Yes.
Okay, who hasn't seen? किन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है? Please be honest and say I haven't seen. Write it on the chat. Lovely. Okay, who else?
I haven't seen again.
But you
I
saw
want to
once.
see. I want to see it again.
But you saw once, na? You know what the glad game is, right? Okay, lovely. See it again. Okay. Yes. Anybody else? कोई नहीं बता रहा है. Yes, no. सबने देखा है. अगर नो नहीं बोल रहे तो सबने देखा है. Okay, you haven't seen. Okay. Who else? I'm assuming जिन लोगों ने नहीं बोला है, कुछ उन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है. So be honest ना. Say, come forth and say that you haven't seen. We all are in the same space. So there's nothing ki, somebody is superior or somebody is, it's okay. If you haven't seen, you haven't seen. So now you can say, now is the time where, okay, half movie. Lovely. So you can see the full movie now. हिना जी, अगर आप आज देख सकते हो, वेरी गुड. जितना आप, और ऐसा नहीं है जितनी बार आप देखोगे उतना बार अगेन, these movies are like these self-help movies, like how this book is. जितनी बार हम पढ़ते हैं उतनी बार एक अलग अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है. तो जितनी बार आप ये मूवी भी देखोगे ना, उतनी बार आप अलग अलग वे से उसका आपका नजरिया चेंज हो जाएगा. अलग अलग वे से आप देखोगे, बिकॉज the state of our mind is different every time. That is why it is, it's always advised to see these kinds of movies again and again, read these kind of books again and again, so that you are into that concentrated practice. So yeah, so let's start the glad game. So what are we going to do is that we are going to start, I am so glad, and you feel it, just don't say in a flat tone, just feel it in your heart. I'm so glad that, whatever comes. Yes, who wants to begin? Uma, would you like to begin? Or जो लोगों, yeah. Sorry, you have to think.
Think just now.
Okay, so
Okay.
जो लोगों, जब भी आप बोल लोगे उसके बाद आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर देना. जब भी बोलना हो तो म्यूट कर देना, otherwise there will be a lot of disturbance. Okay, so everybody has understood this now, how to mute and unmute. So let's start. So I'm so glad, I'm so glad that I have this wonderful body and mind, and I'm so happy to be, to experience this, whatever I'm experienced through this mind and body. I'm so happy to God who has given me this. So thankful, so glad. So like this you say, okay? So when you start feeling now, you actually don't feel like stopping. You just feel like going and going and going. And that's what Pollyanna used to do now. She used to find gladness in everything what was happening in our life. So just now since morning, just see, take this day only. What are you glad of? Yes. So let's keep the circle moving, the circle of
Okay.
life. Yes.
I'm so glad that the fan is blowing this cool breeze, and I feel it on my skin, and lovely. It's a good, cool feeling.
Wow, lovely, awesome. Next person. Come on, come on. Break नहीं करना है, circle को move करते रहना है. You are on a giant wheel.
Okay,
Come on.
Penal.
I'm so glad that I'm surrounding with nature and lovely flowers and plants.
Ah,
Lovely, lovely. Next person. Come on, come on. Take the lead. Come on.
Penal. I'm so glad to see these beautiful mornings, the birds chirping around me, and and the gentle breeze which is passing by. I'm so glad to feel this.
Yes, next one. Lovely, awesome.
Hina, I am so glad I have lovely family who loves me lot of. Thank you, God.
Lovely, lovely. Come on, and start thinking of the
भरत
next one because और एक दो
भरत
तीन
here.
circle चलाएंगे हम. Yes.
भरत,
Yeah.
आई एम सो ग्लैड, मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ, ऊपर वाला का शुक्र है कि मेरी लाइफ पार्टनर जो मुझे हिना मिली है. थैंक टू गॉड. थैंक यू.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, but
Thank you to my
I'm
parents.
so
Oh,
glad
sorry.
to have a beautiful morning house to be living with my family, with my kids.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Lovely, lovely. Next one.
I, Ishita, I'm thankful to my parents to give me such a beautiful life.
No, you have to start from I'm so glad.
Yeah, I said I'm glad and I'm thankful to my parents to give me such a beautiful life.
Yes. Next one. Come on, come on. ये हम 5 मिनट तक खेलने वाले हैं. जिसको बीच में बोलना है बोल दीजिए. कोई ऐसे सर्कल, कोई ऐसे सीक्वेंस नहीं चल रहा है. Come on.
I'm so glad I'm attending the session and I'm practicing gratitude. I'm also
Lovely.
glad my daughter gave me a nice blow dry like yesterday. Like
Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. So I'm so glad that, after years and years of thinking, now I've started waking up at 4 o'clock without the alarm. And before the alarm rings, I just, so my manager wakes me up. I'm so, so, so thankful to him. So glad. Yes. Next person. Come on, come on. Break nahi rana hai. You'll hit the rock bottom. Come on.
I'm so glad to all living things, all non-living things. Thank you to Vanna ji. Thank you to all my family members. Thank you so much.
Yes. Next person.
I'm so glad that I have lovely daughters and they always help me whenever I need them. And they are like, yeah, I'm really glad and blessed with the lovely daughters.
Yes. तो रुकिए मत, जो जैसे ही खत्म होए लास्ट वर्ड एंड अनदर पर्सन बिगिंस. कम ऑन, बी रेडी.
I'm
खेले हैं हम लोग. इट्स जस्ट 1 minute and we're going to play for 5 minutes.
I'm so glad I can hear the birds chirping.
Lovely, lovely.
I'm glad to have so good parents who helped me in my ups and downs and are there for me every time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Come on, रुकना नहीं है. Next person. हमने सिर्फ
I'm
दो
so
बार ही
glad
बोला है.
I'm so glad to wake up early in the morning and break my, from the childhood I was never able to do that and I've achieved it. So I'm very glad about that. Thanks to you.
Thanks to yourself. Just thank
Yeah.
yourself. Hug
And
yourself
myself
once.
also. Yes.
Yes.
I'm so glad to get a good night's sleep every day.
Awesome. Awesome. Great going. Come on, next person.
आई एम सो ग्लैड मुझे ह्यूमन लाइफ मिली तो मैं इतना ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड में हूँ और सब एंजॉय कर रही हूँ, सब फील कर रही हूँ. अच्छा अच्छा, थैंक यू यूनिवर्स.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. So feel it. एकदम feel करके बोलिए. I'm so glad to the lockdown that has happened, and because of that, I have experienced so many good things, so many lovely things, and the learning curve has increased so much. So glad, so happy. Yes.
I'm going to have a very good day after this. My heart is full of gratitude for that. I'm very much glad and thank you for that.
Lovely, lovely. So you're
I
thanking
am
whom?
so
You're
glad.
thanking yourself, or sorry, 1 minute. You're thanking. So are you thanking yourself?
Yes, I'm thanking myself that I'm now filled with so much gratitude,
Yeah,
and my day will go so nice after this.
lovely, lovely. Thank you. Yes, Hinaji, sorry. Yes,
I'm so glad I got vaccine COVID-19 yesterday. Thank you.
amazing, lovely. Yes,
And I'm so glad I have loving and kind kids. And my son just bought for me lots of makeup and he's going to courier it to me.
okay, lovely, lovely. See how beautifully now we are glad we're playing this glad game. So you all can play with, make it a point कि दिन में एक बार you can, you play this glad game and see you actually are becoming that light for your own self.
I'm so glad to attending second time this session, Secret the Magic, and really thank you to you for that. It is possible for me.
Lovely, lovely.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you for attending the session. Yes. Yes. So the last round. Come on. Last 1 minute.
I'm glad and thankful to Namrata Bhabhi to introduce me to this magic sessions, and I'm trying to know myself. It's like a mirror to my own self. Maybe people come and tell you that this is there, but right now I'm learning and knowing my own self very deeply and very nicely, and I'm able to work on myself and giving time to myself for this 1 hour in the morning, and then it continues for the day. Like whether I'm busy with any damn thing, I still make a point that I'm thinking and working on myself with
Wow, that
the
was a really good one.
session. So thanks to
So
Namrata
happy.
Bhabhi.
Yeah, so happy. Yeah,
I'm so glad that not a single negative thought is coming nowadays. So I'm really glad for that.
amazing.
आई एम
So
सो ग्लैड क्योंकि अब मैंगो की सीजन आ गई है तो मुझे अब खाने भी जलसा हो जाएगा.
awesome. Lovely. See how beautifully we can remember ना छोटी छोटी चीजों को कैसे हम glad बोल सकते हैं, and we are so happy. एक the Hindi word for gladness is gladi. तो gladi feel करते हैं. We are so thankful to everything. Yeah, so we have just played for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes में हमने कितनी बार अपनी gladness को express किया. Just imagine Pollyanna lived her entire life in that gladness. That is what that movie teaches us. So please see this movie, and also be a spark in the life of another person by inviting them for the session tomorrow. जितने लोगों को आप आज फोन करके बता सकते हो कि आपने क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया, क्या क्या आपकी लाइफ में चेंजेस आए, क्या क्या मैजिक्स अपीयर हो रहे हैं आपकी लाइफ में. You can just share with them and call them and be a light, ignite their life also, be a diya in their life. So yes, so now we are, if anybody has any questions or any sharings, otherwise we can say goodbye today. So yes, then it's time to leave the session, and thank you, thank you, thank you for being a part of this wonderful session today. Till we meet tomorrow, have a magical and a happy day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.